Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be taking a look at the FX4CR and how it comes as it's shipped. So I'm gonna pop open the packaging that it comes with. All right, so comes nicely packaged inside plastic wrap, inside of a nice Pelican style case. Doesn't appear to be quite as robust as a Pelican case, not waterproof or anything like that, but still a very nice case. Nicely fits all the components of the radio there. I asked you very nicely if he could install the sides with the fan in it for me, and he did, and I'm very thankful for that. Great service from you. Worth the wait, in my opinion. Cannot wait to get this little radio out and start using it in the field. Be prepared for some more videos on that, and thanks for watching.